Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Rwanda tourist visa online. So this is very helpful if you're planning to visit Rwanda because applying online makes the process faster and more convenient before your trip. So to start, go to the official Rwanda immigration website and open the visa application section. Choose the option to apply online, then begin filling out the form with your personal details like your name, passport information, and nationality. Make sure everything matches your passport. Next, enter your travel details, including your purpose of visit, arrival date, and how long you plan to stay. After that, upload the required documents, usually your passport copy and a photo, making sure that they are all clear. So once it's done, review your applications carefully, then submit it. After submitting, proceed to payment and complete the visa fee online. And then you'll receive a confirmation after that. And finally, wait for the approval, and once approved, your visa will be sent to your email. Just print a copy and bring it with you when you travel. And that's it. That's how you apply for a Rwanda tourist visa online. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.